Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video I am going to share with you something very knowledgeable, and that thing will really help you to speak English language. That thing will really help you to improve your English language. If you really want to speak English, if you really want to learn English, so this thing is very helpful for you. So listen to me carefully. I know you might be saying that, how am I speaking English? How am I just conveying my message in English? How am I translating Hindi into English? How? You might be thinking it, right? You know what the problem? As you are watching this video, you are just listening English, not speaking. Getting the point? Listen to me carefully. You know what happens? We have been listening English language for a long time, but we are not speaking in the same amount as we listen English. Okay, you might be learning so many things. You might be listening for a long time, for 1 hour, for 2 hours, for half hour, maybe, but you may not be speaking this much of time. You may not be speaking for hours and hours. You may not be speaking for 2 hours, for 1 hour, for so it is the problem. We speak, but we don't speak in the same amount as we listen English. And this the same thing I shared in my previous video also, but that video is not being watched nowadays. You know why? Because no one is just watching nowadays. My channel is not growing. And have a look here, this poor man, have a look here, this old man, he was just thinking that what am I doing actually here, and he's just watching this. So sometimes, before some time, when I used to record my video and anybody used to come to me to watch me, I used to feel nervous, and I did not used to speak. I was not able to speak in front of anyone, but nowadays I am just seeing the result. I am able to speak. So I'm not coming to the topic. I was somewhere else. Okay, so if I talk about the topic, if I talk about the point, I know very well that I'm not speaking well, and I am just I don't have even idea that how am I speaking actually. I'm just trying, and I am just improving my English, and I'm improving my communication skill. Okay, so just let me speak whatever I'm speaking, and let me do whatever I'm doing. Just don't judge me, okay, if I'm making many mistakes, if I'm not speaking to the point, if I'm not speaking the way I should speak. So just let me try, okay? And the point I'm going to share with you, it is very important. Whatever I'm going to share with you, it is very important. You are just listening, and I was also doing the same thing when I was learning English. Yes, it is very necessary, I know. When we listen English and then we speak it after some time, we listen, then we repeat, so it will take a lot of time, it will take a long time, and we will not be able to understand all the things. We will not be able to get fun. We will not be enjoying listening, we will not be enjoying the video, right? When we listen, then we repeat, we listen, then we repeat, so it is something like bored. Okay, so I think so we should not do the same thing. We should not do this thing again and again. I just want to say one thing. Just take one video, and it should not be very high level video. It should be very very simple, very easy, very simple video, in which a person who is speaking, he should speak very simple way, in a very smooth way, so that you could able to understand all the thing, and you could able to speak, you could able to repeat it again. Okay, very simple sentences. Okay, and you should repeat it, and not for long time. Just you have to take one video. It could be 10-minute video, it could be any 5-minute video, any 4-minute video. You can watch any video, right? And then you should just repeat it, and repeat again and again the same sentence, one sentence again and again, just repeat. Okay. And we sometimes we listen but we don't observe English. We just listen and we forget, we listen and forget, we listen and forget. This process is going on again, and because of this we become unable to speak when we want to speak, when we try to speak. We get stuck, we feel nervous, we forget something, we are unable to understand something, what to say, what not to say in English, right? It happens. We are able to understand English. Why are we able to understand English? Why are we not able to speak English? Because we don't speak in the same amount as we listen English. Getting the point? So that is why I am saying, my friend, if I am speaking here, I am just speaking and you are listening only. You are listening, and after some time you will just sweep this video, you will not take it seriously, and then you will watch another one, then you will watch that one, and you will listen only. You will not repeat it, you will not observe it. Maybe you repeat, maybe you observe. It is very necessary. If you really want to improve your English language, you can speak faster, you can learn faster. In this way it is very, very helpful, my friend. So I just want to say one thing. What if we practice with each other? In my previous video also I shared only this thing, the same thing I shared with you, that if we practice every single day, I speak English, then I translate it into Hindi, or first of all I speak Hindi, then I translate it into English, like some of the examples of all types of sentences, right? I mean, first of all we will start from present indefinite tense, then we will start from present continuous, then present perfect, and in the same way we will just go further, and we will learn so many things. We can practice each other, right? So this is the thing I want to say, and in this way we can really improve our English language. If you are unable to speak, if you are unable to understand what to say now, what not to say, so it will help you, it will really help you to speak English. Okay, it will make you speak, my friend. Getting the point? Just try to understand this point. We are just listening, we are not repeating English, we are not speaking it. Our tongue is not being twisted again and again. We speak when we are beginner. How long we speak? We speak like for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, half hour, that's it. We don't speak for a long time, but we can listen. We can listen for a long time, but we cannot speak for a long time. Why am I facing these problems? Why am I stucking? Why am I making many mistakes? Why am I taking pauses while speaking English? Why? It is the main point that I had to face, that I faced, because I didn't know, I didn't even have idea about it, that how to learn. But I was learning. But somehow today I am able to speak, and I'm speaking here, I'm recording my video. I know I'm not good, I know I am not perfect, but I am improving and I am learning. So if I have reached this level, so I can reach that level as well, advanced level as well, right? So if I can do it, so you also can do it. Okay, so try to understand this thing and keep doing. Don't break the consistency every single day. Okay, keep speaking, keep practicing English, and don't think of giving up. Don't think about giving up. Just don't quit this journey. Okay, sometimes you may feel loose, you may feel that no, I can't speak, I can't do it, I can't do that. My friend, it happens to many people who start something, who start to learn English, who start to do something, so problems, difficulties, hardships, obstacles are everywhere in everyone's life. Okay, so don't afraid of these kind of things. Okay, don't be scared of these kind of things. Face the challenges, right? Do whatever is scaring you. Okay, so my friend, I just want to say one thing. If we practice with each other every single day, so we can speak so many things, we can learn so many things, and we can speak faster, we can learn English faster. Okay, it is the main point that we are listening only and we are not speaking so much. Okay, see, speaking and listening both are very important. Reading and writing, those are also important. So try to read 1 page or 2 page of any book and try to write as well. The 5 sentences, it is up to you. You can write as long as you want. So it is not a big deal at all. Okay, and after some time you will get used to it. So my friend, this is what I wanted to share with you. Just try to follow these methods and just tell me into the comment box if you agree with me about this session, about this practice. If you really agree with me that yes, if we practice each and every single day, if we practice with each other, so we can learn so many things. Okay, so tell me into the comment box. And if you don't say anything, yeah, of course, because no one is believing, no one believes that yes, I can do something, I can speak in that way, I can practice in that way. So that's why no one is just taking action. Okay, so don't worry about it. I am just doing my work, and I will help you anyhow. I will help you the way, I will help you, I will give you my best. I will do whatever I can do for you. Okay, so that you could also learn English in a fast way and in a short period of time. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.